Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this slide. Okay, you see it's looking great. Let's try to create it under 3 minutes. At first we need to create these circles. For these circles we have two ways. We can hold shift and create one of these and then move it like this and then rotate it. Your circle is created. But I don't like this way. I like another way. We have another way. Another way is some professional way. We create a circle, align it center, we align it center middle, and then we create another one. Just this one is okay. We here insert a rectangle, and after inserting that, we select both of them by Ctrl A, then go to shape format and go for fragment. Now delete this. Your shape is created. We select both of them, make the shape outline none, and then color them up. We go with red and blue. Okay, this is this shape. After that, we need to add these two texts. These two texts, you can add them simply by how? By creating a text box and writing, for example, fire, and then just simply reduce the size and the shape is created. But we have this slide ready. Because of that, I'm going to just copy this slide and paste it. In the next slide, the important thing is that we need to copy this slide, paste it here. We need to increase the size of circles by pressing shift, by holding shift and Ctrl. At first, just increase it in this way, then hold the shift and increase it. Do the same thing for another one. Okay, now zoom it here and make it look the best. Okay, now we need to paste the text. They are just simple text. After pasting the text, we delete the last text and just simply set the transition to morph. Now you see the magic happened. Let's see it. Okay, we set it morph. Okay, let's see it. You see it's looking very beautiful. If you like this kind of video, you can find many of this template in my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.